I'm so scared to take a bite. Man,
It's a low. It's a low. Oh, my phone, man.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Top of the top, my brother.
It's about 400 points. I got another 400 point fair value gap below where it's at right there on the 19,000 range, between 19,003 and 19,007. And yep, that's another day. Yeah, it's going here today though.
This shit broke my fucking daily. Shit is a broken.
I'm just trying to try some shit today.
Golly. I do feel what bro's talking about, because I want to snipe these bars right here too, but it's like,
this shit is so wicked, bro.
I'm seeing book map on ES 5720. It's like 172 orders right there. Yeah, it's 172 orders right there. I don't know if they gonna.
That's where the end of my support zone is at 5720.
See, you guys trying to run this bitch up now.
Oh yeah, off that 1 minute gap.
It looks like the change of structure already happening on the 1 hour anyway.
Oh
That
man.
shit is crazy.
So time to break down the side of it.
I missed my entry though. I can't lie. I didn't see this 1 minute.
Need to do this like right now.
No.
3 minute gap anyway.
Push down. Just clearly what you want to see happen. That's the low. Oh, let me go to the
I'm gonna try these bars real quick. As soon as I slow, dip. As soon as I say that, motherfucker, I'm gonna dip.
Yeah, for real though. I ain't gonna hold you. That's exactly. I didn't see this 1 minute chart. That's the only thing. Like I said, when I said something, all I was noticing we was bouncing off the previous low date. You know what I'm saying? And that 1 minute left a gap. It left a value gap on ES. And from there, I can't lie. We done moved up significantly from that gap. That was
It's booming, bro.
yeah. Oh, wee. Let me go up to another higher time frame and see if we okay, depending on where this 2 minute close on ES, may have a gap fill. That's on May. Depending on where it closed. This is out of a nice area.
Alright, here's the buy order close.
Pull back, bitch. Don't pull back. Yeah, dude, what is bullshit, man? That 3 minute gap's great, man. Damn, that bitch just pulled back on me hard.
Come here, you little order block, you.
Damn, that shit got my ass.
Delete that.
That's
Okay. Alright. Come here.
I was going to
Alright.
That's bad.
Alright. Bottom right there. So now the fair value gap is right here. Alright, so that's what we'll put our entry in.
Like a motherfucker. That shit crazy. Came all the way and did that. What did it do?
Dang, bro, this might be the
3 minute
HD.
gap. Had a 3 minute gap. Ejected the fuck out of it.
Oh shit, where is my order thing? Come here, huh?
Jesus.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh shit, which one is this? This one.
Long position right here. But I don't come right there. You drop down and get you either down. Okay, so we got the nice look. That's a lot. That's a big size. I don't like it. That means huh?
So hidden pixels.
Okay, we gonna come to the top of the order block. Right. Chill. Boom. There. Alright. And then, okay. Alright. Okay. Let's come down to right here. We just gonna see how you move. If you do it, you do it. If you don't do it, I'll be okay. What you should.
What's good, bro?
What's up? If I imagine that right, you should be alright. But I know that you probably gonna come down into it. I think you will. So I'm just gonna let's go to the practice count. Okay. Beans on the beat.
Just on the Cadillac.
Throw some beans on that beat.
Hey, I guess I'll see you in this bitch then.
Get up, bitch! 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 Get up!
That's so hilarious.
Bruh, don't feel this up. You want cold motherfucker.
We got that in there.
Outside of my face, I'll eat.
No, we got 3.
I'll eat. Oh.
Alright, let's get this shit moving.
Hold on.
I'm out of here.
That was gone.
Order filled.
Yeah, it is. I'm about to go ahead and TP out, baby. I'm about to TP out right now.
Order filled.
Alright. Smack the rooski! Smack the rooski! Smack the rooski! I wanted to leave it running, but it's Friday, man. I can't even, nah. So look.
Oh, true.
Hey, yeah, it's Friday, but look, this is what I saw at home right quick. Let me show my boy. I thought I was showing my boy. Hold on. Let me show my bot Troy. Somebody hit me with it one time.
Get up, bitch! 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 Get up!
Alright, let me see. Where my screen? There you go. Alright, look, this is what I saw, right? Once again, this right here is the low day from yesterday. You feel me? going into that 1 minute, what I was talking about, that 1 minute gap, this was the last little piece of point of interest structure that ran into this super demand, which is the low of day. And then how we broke up, pushed out, gap fill right here, came back, dispersion, and then once again, another gap fill. Pulling back from here to there, like right inside of that. And I bought like somewhere in between here. And then we ripped up. Surprisingly, I got in. As soon as I was in like a couple seconds before you said you was taking the shorts, I'm like, eh.
Quick shorts, quick shorts.
Okay.
That was good.
Huh?
That was good.
Appreciate it, bro. That was the play right here. I said 50 when I was like, where's 50 at? That's when I snagged the little piece and then I closed the rest off like right up in here. What is that? Almost a 2. I wish I would have had 5 of them things in there, man. But it's all good. It's all good. I had 3 on. I should have went 5, but it's all good. It's Friday. You know it. Yes, get up, banana. That's how you get through your little 200 thing, though. You know what I'm saying? You need your quick 200 for your 5-day payout or that. How I look at it is, even if you wanted to get a little more, you know what I'm saying, creating that 200 a day, 5-day buffer thing gonna give you a nice cushion. You know what I'm saying, if you want to keep shooting for a bigger split. You know what I'm saying? So that right there, that one move, 229 in a day, across 3 accounts, 4 accounts.
Get up, bitch, 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 get up.
Every time.
Just pass my email, guys.
Love to hear it, my boy.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Yes, sir.
Get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up.
You took them by, did you take them by my brethren?
Did take the buys, believe it or not, bro. I only called the buys because I was looking at the 1 minute time frame, like you said.
Oh, wow. Wow. Who knew? Hey, man, and you probably was just looking at the same thing that you look at on the 15 minute. It was just there first.
Yeah, it was there first, but that shit confused me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I took a risk like a motherfucker. I was like, I'm gonna shoot it. Hell. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm like 53,000 on the head, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more, but I just want to get what I need to get up out of there.
Come on, brother, yes, sir. You here for yours. Yours and that's it.
Yeah.
Love to hear it. We passing evals all day on this hoe.
I'm gonna share it in the chat, you know, when I get my certification. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we gotta create one of those too, like the so people can show off they you know what I'm saying, certificates and dubs and gains and all that.
Yeah, I'm gonna frame my shit. I work hard like a mother to try to get it. Frame That's a beautiful thing, bro. It's a beautiful thing. I'm still nervous a little bit, like I'm still in that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I ain't taking no losses, bro.
Come on, man. That's YouTube, you heard it here first. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. My man didn't take no losses. You heard it here first.
I was coming, bro. I was just like, I ain't gonna say it out loud till I passed it. Now my 15 minutes just catching up. 15 minutes just catching up to the 1 minute. And it's giving me the signal. So I like all of my parameters in there, basically.
All confluences in check, baby.
All the confluences around there.
I'll tell y'all, man. If y'all got any crypto on Coinbase or crypto.com, get that shit off there. These apps are glitching big real bad.
Yeah, they are glitching really bad.
You don't know, I'm trying to lose nothing. They glitch real bad.
MetaMask been glitching, everything glitching, man. That's the good shit about being crazy, bro.
Oh man, I think
Say that again first. Say it again first. That motherfucker probably ready to go crazy. That's why it was glitching. You look at that right. Shit really go crazy, man.
They got that summit day.
that's what I was talking about, Dino.
Okay, so that's what you talking about crypto summit type shit.
They got it today.
Where they having it? Where it's at?
I don't know where it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be at White House.
That's what Trump, the whole, ain't he speaking at like 1 o'clock, 1:30 or something like that? What you talking about, Jordan?
These apps, everything is glitching. I can't close my publication or watch it. The indicator is not coming on my phone. I can't log in on my computer. Actually, it's the practice account.
Oh my God, this position.
Ooh. Off this morning. I got it at 53. So. It's level at 86.75.
Right.
I just want to go ahead and close.
At least to like 81. This could be a good day, man. This could be a good day. This could be like a recovery day. Could be. I'm not saying anything because we're gonna have to really see back at like for ES at like 5,800 again because we keep getting there and keep getting slapped back down from which we came and beneath lower sometimes. But this dip off this double bottom, you know what I'm saying? That dip off that, that dip at that low of day from yesterday with the little up and out ski play on the lower time frames are making nice for, let me see what they look like on the hour. Okay, we just got a big bullish hour. What time is it? 9:50. All right, so the hour about to close. We're going to 4 hour. Okay. Still not. Yeah, this is where it gets tricky because this 4 hour right here is running into all of that, which is that right here. All of these highs right here, which is all of this chop. Keeps getting ran into from this fair value gap right here. Smack. So this is where it gets. Hold on to your horses or protect yourself. Make sure you calm down. Let me see what I was about to do. Oh yeah, something else is not right.
It's not going into nothing. Like, what the fuck?
It ain't sweet.
I was doing this.
Free Friday.
Friday. And y'all know how I feel about trading on Friday, so I was already
Yeah. Turn that thing like turn and burn. I'm trying to figure out what my thing ain't, what my skill lines ain't, how it's supposed to be, you know. See, that's 10 numbers.
I gotta do closing out with Coinbase, going back in. Fuck all that.
Oh, there you go. Alright.
Can't even look into this shit.
What in the Coinbase?
Nah, she on ninja trade.
But it won't load up. Like I was able to open it up this morning, but now I can't do it on my laptop, bro. Man.
Those vibes, oh my God, y'all. Good God Almighty.
That's what it is. I'm kind of in the middle of it. That's what it pushes me. I look at like the old days.
Yeah, because we at 57.71 right now. I mean, that's where I was looking. Let me go to this. What's good, Rich? What's good, Trip? How you feeling today, my brother? Because we about to run into some traffic. We probably like 20-something, 47 points away from 800.
Yeah, she blasting off. She about to bust through 250 on NQ.
Yeah.
So
Yes, about to get a 20-point rip in no time.
What you about to say?
yeah, I was saying it on yes. It's hitting. It's moving past a potential like reversal area. With all my companies enough to go back to the upside, like a huge explosion. It's nothing but
Potential, right?
Stop is at 58.0975 to the upside. If it closes like I think it's gonna close, it's like you said, it's gonna take off. Like
I'm seeing that, brother.
I don't know. Now it's kind of it's moving down now, so I don't know what's iffy. You know what I'm saying? It's like
Wait on 10 o'clock.
I ain't gonna do it.
Well, yeah, for sure. Yeah. I definitely say wait on this hour to close more so than anything. I mean, we only, 6 minutes out? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they give you a beautiful correction, like to the upside. Like it'll be masterful.
Yes.
Somebody made a lot of money.
Yes. I want to see this.
Like if I wasn't there, I would take it. If everything lines up, I would get in on this 15 minutes. If it breaks, well, I think it's gonna break.
Right.
And just be patient, just sit on my hand.
Right. Because I'm thinking if we can get back above 800, right? If we can get back above 800, we can correct some of this weekly candlestick right here. Because that's what I don't want us to close beneath this. If we close beneath this for sure on a weekly perspective, you know what I'm saying? I don't want that to happen. I want I want us to go ahead and buy back up. And then we can stay above this weekly order block right here, which is really on the month too. I think that's a month. What I had seen. Yeah, exactly. There's one candlestick right here that can confirm like enough liquidity is being grabbed from this month right here, and then we can just continue to try and take out these all-time highs and get back on schedule with, the show.
Yeah, for sure. No, I see it too, bro. And if it breaks, I personally like for it to do some kind of pullback, create a little bit of a gap to give a good entry confirmation. But
look at this.
Look at this.
Yeah, for us to close above, we really need to close above all of this hour stuff right here. We need to close above that, because if not, that's just gonna just signal us to just you know what I'm saying? So we gotta have a strong close.
Really 100%. The only thing I was aiming for was that little $70, bro. That was it.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I need $70.
All I needed, bro.
I'll put a profit target of $75. That way,
I did. That's exactly what I hit. I hit $75 on those.
Oh yeah. He said he hit his profit target on the head, cuz like nailed it.
I hit that motherfucker on the head.
Here go person again, person over there eating quietly. The quiet sloth. Check him out. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's nice right there, cuz that's nice.
Next week, I'm doing the rest of the hill.
Me too, Orlando. Relentless. Yeah. Facts, peso. Facts, peso. I like that correction right there.
get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up.
Me and Peso was having this conversation about that word aggressive. Because naturally it just doesn't, for me personally, it doesn't feel good to do anything aggressively. But if we do it with resilience and we're relentless with our intentions, it's like, okay, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like that give me that, okay, I'm here for the long haul, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm going in with all, what my man Dollar Bill used to say, Jordan, what's your level of uncertainty? And dude be like, what did he used to say?
Dude, I certainly forgot.
Dog, what Dollar Bill used to say. Dollar Bill used to be like, I am uncertain. He was like, I hold on, I gotta find that quote.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. What did that nigga say?
What is your level of certainty? And he'll be like, I have. Dog, what did he say? I have. He was like, I am uncertain or something like that. I gotta figure it out, but like that's how I knew. Whenever he said that, it was gonna work. It was just like, just don't even stress no more. Like, don't even think about how it's gonna work. Once you hear this dude say these words, it's going to work. You just don't need to focus on how. It might be dirty. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what that meant. But hey, it's gonna work. Billions is the greatest show ever created.
It was definitely. Is it still they still got new episodes now?
They finished the season off. Not the season, but they finished the whole storyline thing off how you would expect it, but not how you would expect it. You know what I'm saying? You would expect the good guy to win, right? But you would not expect him to win like this. Like so, it was one of those ones that, you know, if you're into finance, if you're into like corporate greed, if you're into like watching a bunch of people make money beyond your wildest dreams in a closely relatable field that you are also in, it is for you. All right, that was a horrible close on the hour. See?
That was called.
Playing right in
That was
between.
horrible clothes, bro.
And
Absolutely,
I'm gonna delete this shit.
Yeah, what a horrible close.
Pushing back into the gap.
Check it out at fucking 75. I shouldn't have been able to do that at 75. Back down to still resistance. Nope. Oh, man. Oh, not yet.
Yeah, we are pushing down into that 15-minute. Yeah, we are pushing down into that little 15-minute.
A little 15 gap there.
Yeah. Hopefully, man, that'll save us. And then also right there too is this level of trash. So let me see. Yeah, and that's like the break and retest off this. Off that off this level right here.
Alright, let's just put them on here. I'm not gonna worry about this bullshit. I'll have Top Step next Tuesday.
Oh yeah.
Is it up and running? Like, as soon as you get like whatever, I can start using the Vax account immediately?
Yeah, immediately.
You know, you just gotta go activate it on your dashboard, like I showed you the other day.
Okay.
Yep, that's just like restarting your account or whatever. It's got a little practice thing right to the right hand side of it. Allows you to switch over and get it cracking or popping, whatever your affiliation may be.
And I'm so proud of myself.
Man, me too, brother.
Yeah, bro.
As you should.
And I appreciate y'all too, bro, for helping me with my discipline and staying patient, not getting too tricky.
Ain't nothing, man. We've been here for a long time. We've been waiting for people like you. We need more and more of those guys. Come on, Percy, let's get it. What is waiting on? Hey, you still at a good, your start off at a nice little trailing piece. Whatever the case may be. Morning, noon, night. Alright, let me change the song. I needed those vibes so I can catch my dub. I put that dime on, I won. Kennedy, you my star, baby. What I want to hear now? I want some of What's Up But Love. Let's hear some After School. Yeah, that's a nice. All right, that's a nice little 5-minute bounce. You feel me? Off that red line, ain't it? Nice little bounce off that 5-minute line, off that little 5-minute level right here, which is confirming also because that's an order block inside the 15-minute gap, if you will. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, shirt tucked in her jeans.
I see it. There you go.
But that don't make it the truth. When it's outside, it's 61 in my coupe. Blowing strong. Smoking that, ooh. Looking good.
Alright, now come on, mates.
That's what's up when y'all do. Let me see this 15-minute. What was that 15-minute range talking about? Ooh, we getting a rejection off of that though. That's that aura play, ain't it, Orlando?
After the 15-minute, that's correct. So the opening range, the first 15-minute candle, if this candle right here closes out of the wick of that first opening 15-minute candle, then you take that by.
Yes, sir.
Your confluence line, that would be an aura play.
That Big Daddy Max dude, he was live with his trading homie called the Llama yesterday, and that joint definitely did it. Like he did it, like he showed it live. Like I'm trying to see. Not that I'm gonna use it, I just like to see other people's confluences say the same thing that I'm saying with mine. Like how Jordan uses her trend lines and support boxes to confirm my 50% and you know what I'm saying, whatever the case may be, or how I'm looking at a candlestick that broke the previous structure. That is without her saying anything. Once I say that, she's like, oh yeah, that's near a trend line that I got. And I'm like, oh great. You know what I'm saying? You just need this thing to get it up.
Yeah, if this closes within the reversal zone here, it needs to close within it though. It can't wick too much because I don't take it. But if it closes strong, like a good nice strong green candle, I'll take the buy and ride it up to my first TP level.
Oh yeah, we're going to the practice account right now.
Yeah, I'll be on demo right now.
I'm there with you, brother.
Ain't on that. And also, and I'm trying to learn how to look at the 1 minute like y'all and the 15 minute, but On the 1 minute, it did a nice pullback to a reversal area zone that I have marked up. If it breaks above a resistance, then it could also be like a fifth confirmation. Like, okay, yeah, we're probably going up to the top side to get that liquidity up there.
Yeah, exactly. This 1 minute is building your 15-minute candlestick perspective.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, like right now, yeah, it's looking like it might. Seconds. The only thing is, it's hard for me to look at the 1 minute because I see the seconds, and I'm like, oh, let me take it. But then the 15 minutes is just like 7 minutes before it closes.
Exactly,
bro. That's
aggressive,
though. That's the aggressive.
Mm-hmm. And see, that's why I go up to that 15 minute. That's why I'll go back to the 15 minutes. So I'm like, okay, wait, let me chill, because this actually is not about, you know what I'm saying? Like, although that time frame is closing, this one is not. This is still like in a good area with my bias or whatever. So I'll go to these smaller time frames, but the moment it start doing something crazy, let me go up to the 5 real quick. You know what I'm saying? I could be tripping out. Like on this pullback, if I was in the buy and like looking at it from that 1 minute, bro, it look like, you know what I'm saying? That's all you see right there is just, oh, it's pulling back from this level right here. It might just turn and burn until you go down and you start seeing like, let me go up and find, all right, that's the break and retest level right here on the 2 minute. There's also a 5 minute order block right here that is also inside of the 15 minute fair value gap. So let me chill, calm down. You know what I'm saying? It ain't did nothing too crazy.
See how things shake out.
Mm-hmm. See how things shake out, because I could get out prematurely and mess my whole trade up.
Exactly. Yes, right now, I don't like what this 15-minute candle doing now, but we got 6 minutes left, so that's a lot of time. You know?
Right.
A lot of time.
It's feel like the NBA where somebody's like, hey man, we got 5 minutes left in the quarter, and there's only like a 7-point difference. Man, that's a lot of time for a little, you know what I'm saying, for a lot of time for a lot of great possibilities to happen. And as long as you protect it, it's just like, all right, I've already calculated my risk. I'm cool with losing whatever. And if you're at the advantage of being at break even with some structure in between your entry and where price is fumbling around it, then it's just like, all right, I'm covered. I ain't gonna lose nothing. All I got is potential upside, which is my target. So, and I got the access of bookmap. And I'm not gonna lie, we're above VWAP. We've dipped in VWAP twice, and we're bouncing off of it again. Yep. You know what I'm saying? And that is also the same VWAP that's in this. Exactly. Yep. So we keep bouncing.
Now my VWAP is a little different than your VWAP, but
they be whopping.
It's still registering VWAP data.
They be whopping. Exactly, bro.
Instead of it like a line moving, it's like 1 point, so I can see the charts better.
I like that though. I like that, man. Hey, they be whopping, brother. They do what they're supposed to do when they're supposed to do it. Whoppity. Exactly. Whoppity wop. See, I like that. I like how we building. Just keep building like that, 2 minutes. Show me something. Now I'm gonna go to these 30 seconds.
Whatever this little area is at this support level I have, it's just winking up and down on the 1 minute time frame. So if it closes above this at a 50% level, shit, I will take it. I mean, I'm looking at the 1 minute, so I'm trying to learn how to read that in conjunction with 15 minutes to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, sharpen my eyes.
My buddy JB calls it precision. Like, there's nothing wrong with taking a delayed entry after, you know what I'm saying, something has happened. But then it's like, okay, the more you trade and the better you want to develop your skills, then it's like, okay, this isn't an ego thing. This isn't I'm trying to get the top and the bottom. For me, it's just about the precision. If I can like get a detailed entry, like literally just like that, bro. Like I want to see back where was it at? That 1 minute, you know what I'm saying? That 1 minute gap held and it like 2 ticks of drawdown. 2 ticks of drawdown, 3 ticks of drawdown, and then we're out. Like that's what I be aiming for. You know what I'm saying? And had I went in with 5 contracts and let it actually run to those highs, yeah, that is crazy. Like that's a crazy run. and then for this pullback to like potentially scale in right here, like ooh, put my stop behind that order block, aim for those highs again. And if we just keep bouncing off EWAT, whatever. But that's, you know, I don't do stuff like that. But that's what I would be looking for had I not, like you said, you know, with a good close, good confirmations, I'd be scaling in somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted us to close above this traffic, man. That's all I wanted us to do. That would have gave me just enough of data to be like, all right, yeah. Because I just don't like how it's printing out. A sweep, almost a sweep above these highs.
That's why I pays let the chemicals.
Yeah.
That's why I pays let the chemicals.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. On 1 minute. Let me see what we got here. We about to get a little view up again.
Alright, good folks. I'm out here.
Be good, Jordan. Have a safe day. Enjoy your day.
All right, check.
What you mean it fell, man? Oh, click close after we went back some I did that shit.
What they talking about, bro?
No, I'm just trying to figure out this wallet. That's why I've been so quiet. I just
Oh yeah, I know you focusing.
I'm not in charge, but honestly, trying to get this crypto shit situated. Nah, so like this wallet that I use, they just added RLUSD. I'm trying to add it to my wallet just in case I ever need to use it.
Oh, okay.
But it's a stable coin, and so it's one of those put your money in and it ain't gonna go up or down. Trying to get it to come up my wallet, but this shit acting weird. Network.
Yeah, I don't like that right there at all. No.
You gonna trade right now, Pablo?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
I like girls wearing real tight skirts. I like girls that know they worth. I might catch her when I'm shopping at the mall. Leave the phone on ring, I might call. 12 months in a year, any season. I'm going crazy and your body is the reason. You know that I know it from the start. We gon' throw a little party out the dark. Tell them
Why is this?
Trip said feel like they owe me some money.
Hell yeah.
Trip said he feel like they owe him some money.
There we go.
Oh, true.
Like, I'm 100%. Oh, yeah. Right, good now. I'm chilling. Everything is safe. I got these my white wallets, man. It's gonna be a process.
I would want that trade.
Nah, on God, those medals, on God.
Like, I feel so bad for a lot of people, bro. It's gonna be a process to learn how to use these fucking shit.
Yeah, that's how I promise you.
Right, that's what, you know what I'm saying, that's what Nicky know how to do, that's what Pablo, you know what I'm saying, again, I already know Meadows, Orlando, it ain't gonna take that long, you know what I'm saying, action, you know it's gonna be like that, guys. Interoperable, you know what I'm saying, with the wallets, man.
Why y'all think?
I feel like as time goes on, they're gonna make it more user friendly.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's still low key user friendly right now, depending on what apps and wallets you have.
Right.
You can just copy and paste the address.
But the shit is just like advanced so much that it's like you don't even damn near know what they talking about. Like you gotta know what to do type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like
Where people start is gonna get like caught up is the signing and the authentication.
oh man, yeah, bro.
All that shit. The copy and paste, that's easy part. Is it when you gotta go get all these different codes to sign in and
Right,
things.
seeing this,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, that's what I mean by user friendly. Like the interface exchange type.
Yeah, they're gonna have to find a way to make it user friendly. But when the banks come online, it's gonna be user friendly.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Like when it's majorly adopted by banks, and you got to do that with like they go buy food at Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Like they're gonna make it a lot more user friendly to where people that have no choice but to use this gotta learn how to use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They gonna need all they shit.
Yeah.
All they shit with the
Kind of doing.
They ain't gonna use no wallets. That is gonna be their wallet.
Right.
The institutions.
Mm-hmm.
They gonna swap their coins for them type shit.
Yeah. I gotta make a crash course with wife. She ain't gonna know what the fuck she want. We're gonna make
Yeah, so I said if I end up passing this damn back, they waiting I was gonna name my strategy. Now I gotta think of the damn name.
The OJ.
Go. Get it and go. There you go. Get it and go. It's the get it and go strategy. You know what we do? We get it and we go.
Oh yeah.
We get it and we go.
The OJ.
The good old gag. Get it?
I had all these weird,
the gag. There you go.
these weird benchmarkers. I said if I end up making $20,000 in the market, I was gonna fly to Louisiana and teach my nephews and my family how to make money.
Right.
Start giving back to the family. I already got my kids doing it. Like, I'll be coming in right now and tell you, oh, it broke that line. Yeah.
I tell my nephew all the damn time to stop gambling his money away in these fucking sports bets. He never played sports day in his life, but sports gambling like a motherfucker. I'm like, bro, I think you can afford $50 a month to learn some shit that can change your life. You still gambling away fucking all this money on shit you know nothing about.
Right.
My bro,
You never know when you get a night because they're human, you know what I'm saying? Like, anything can happen, you know? But, I don't know, I feel like some people are successful at it, you know?
he ain't.
Hey look, I want to chime in on that, right? because at the end of the day, we all gotta agree that is gambling. It's gambling. You know what I'm saying? And at no, just because you're successful at it, just like the baccarat, the you know your traditional gambling methods. There are successful people that figure out systems and different strategic methods on how to take money from the house, right? But at that age, it's like with that, those people are adults and they have a higher, you know what I'm saying, brains are developed. They gotta, you know what I'm saying, they might have some money built up or whatever. So like, if I did have a nephew or, you know what I'm saying, somebody that was in that realm of, you know what I'm saying, stuff on their phone, they got the gambling apps, I would try to kind of get them to look at something more lucrative and that has a learning curve, but at the same time, your risk to reward is a lot higher. You know what I'm saying? Because you're actually cultivating a skill versus like betting and gambling on another human being to do something for you in the sense of, you know what I'm saying? You're literally gambling on another human being to do something. I would probably do more the traditional route with the baccarat because at least I'm kind of like, all right, I got the cards in my hand and I'm going off of chance of what this dealer is about to throw me out versus I'm going to put my bread on another human being in a much broader, you know what I'm saying, market where we already know Vegas has influence over some of these apps. You know what I'm saying? But like I agree with Orlando too. I agree with Orlando too though. That's not to say I still agree with Orlando. You know what I'm saying? I think it's just about the person and the maturity level of that said individual. Like if you are mature enough to take on the responsibilities of your emotions getting attached and involved in this app, then also be aware that these are some of the things that could happen, you know, with doing that. You know what I'm saying? Just like trading. You could just think you about to get rich overnight, start throwing all your bread in there and still lose. You know what I'm saying? So there's still the risk, but like the maturity aspect comes in. I should have took that position. Look at that. Look at that.
I was just about to say, Pablo, it closed out the 15-minute gap. And now
it's beautiful. But yeah, it's live on the stream. It's on the stream though. People can go back and watch it. You know what I'm saying? But still, man, yeah, the gambling thing. I'm not a fan of the gambling thing, man. I'm not a fan of the energy behind gambling. It's just I'm not a fan of the energy behind it versus like putting in time.
Only gamble for Vegas. That's how I see it.
Huh?
So they
Only
have
gamble when you go to Vegas for a vacation. That's it.
Baccarat table.
I was looking into it. You know, they have tools, right, that they have out there that will allow them to look at specific data and give you percentages based on past outcomes against certain teams and, you know, how many minutes they played against this team, matchups, so on and so forth, right? And that's cool. But however, it's still a level of human behavior that's involved, and so it's human error, and so you know, at any moment, that emotions of that person can get triggered, and then they have a crazy night, which happens all the time. Versus in trading, I can literally scientifically and strategically, you know, look at a sequence of data and points that is hit multiple times in a particular over a year or months and so on and so forth. Kind of track that, you know, a little bit easier. And I'm not really fighting against a human emotion. I'm fighting against technology. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, an algorithm, if you will. So, but they make arguments against us too. Like my homeboy, he's a sports parent, and so he asked me to come to the house and teach him how to trade. And so I was like, all right, so I'll go to the house. I put like a little presentation together and everything for him and his wife. Because she didn't like sports. He was like, I hate it. So when I was breaking this down, she was like, see, this makes more sense to me because I can actually see it. You know, like I can visually see what's going on. And he was like, I get it. You know, he just likes sports. He likes sports. That's his thing. But then he was trying to teach me how to sports bet. And I was like, man, I don't know if LeBron James
Johnson?
get mad at
Nah, bro.
this week. Like, I can't do it.
I don't like
You
that.
can control the market. I'm not gonna say you control the market. You can control your risk in the market. Once you place the fucking gambling bet, that is it. There is no. I'm gonna cut it short. Nigga, what you put in there is what you gonna lose it or you gonna multiply.
Bro said I'm gonna cut it short.
You actually can pull out.
Nah,
So,
you're not gonna get. You're
You're not gonna get your full.
You're gonna get like you're not gonna get a small amount. That ain't worth it.
Yeah. But you can opt out. Like if they're in the middle of the game, it'll give you an opportunity to opt out and take your profits. You know what I'm saying? Like you say, oh, I want to count my check. Yeah, it's a low amount. You know?
Yeah.
I just didn't like it because of the human aspect of it. Like I feel like when I'm looking at the charts, there is like CME Group and all of that. They're relying on certain levels of algorithms to produce shit, and so therefore we understand that there are certain magnets that is like liquidity and gaps, like things like that the market is drawn to that I can actually track and say, okay, there's a heavy gap here. It wants to go in that gap, you know. And we also know that it runs on a balanced basis. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, and so it's a lot easier to track. But betting is just, I don't know.
Gambling. It's gambling. And they just like how you said, they have certain tools that allow them to read certain data, but at the expense of, like Metal said, your risk to reward on that is super skewed because you can't really gauge all the way because of the human element behind it. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like also like how Metal said, like if I go to a game, say me and the homies, all right, yeah, we up, and we go check out the Ravens. You know what I'm saying? And I want to enjoy or enhance my experience of the game. I may bet while I'm at the game, right, on like an anytime touchdown by somebody that's probably known to get a touchdown all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to start researching stats and you know what I'm saying, analytics and going like creating like just more stress for myself, you know what I'm saying, through gambling. Like it's for me, there are too many variables, right? You have number one, the app, something you don't control. We seen all the time glitches happen all the time. They're just normal now, right? That's a variable you can't control. The human emotion element of the other person that you're gambling on, you can't control that. You know what I'm saying? So if I was a gambling man, because that is the same, if I was a gambling man, I would do baccarat, or I would go to like the table, or you know what I'm saying, like somewhere where I can eliminate variables that I can't. It's just me, the odds of this ball, you know what I'm saying, the roulette, whatever, red and black thing, me, the dude throwing out the little whatever, and that's it. Like there's no, I gotta log into this, I gotta sign into this, nah, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not a gambling man. I'd just rather bet on myself. You know what I'm saying? My own emotions and my own strategic eyes with seeing a certain thing happen over and over and over and over again.
This is how I do with the whole gambling sports betting thing. I treat them as lottery tickets, cheap lottery tickets. I'll throw a $1 parlay with like 14 of them motherfuckers, and that $1 could potentially turn in about $10,000. That's what I do. I don't play with nothing over $1. Because I know that little $1 parlay that's cheaper than a lottery ticket gives me a better probability than me actually playing a lottery.
Nah, facts.
I came close like 5 times off of like one leg using $1. One time I had a 50-cent parlay that was going to pay out like $50K. That's all I play with is a little pump chain. I ain't going in there with no 20, 50. Like my nephew going in there $200. Like, bro, you tripping.
Hey, to compliment on what you just said, real quick, I just want to say this. I do something like that and only bet under. I go crazy big on the underdog. You know what I'm saying? Because those are the biggest payouts anyway. And just in case if that's the day where the underdog wins, right? your risk to reward is just why not bet $1 to win 10,000 because the underdog actually won that day? Come on, nigga. Like, there are only, how many games in the regular season in football? Like 17, 16, 17 regular games? So that's $17. You feel me? That you're taking to say, you know what? I'm going to see if I can win $10,000 off one of these underdogs. You came out better than buying a lottery ticket for $20.
Yeah.
Like how you know what I'm saying? That's and like, you know, like how we're all saying, we're much more mature, you know what I'm saying, than a lot of other people. So we're not gonna get our emotions attached in trying to make back that $1 that we lost on a gambling bet. You know what I'm saying? So well, that was a failed attempt at breaking the odds, guys.
Yeah, I saw it setting up. I was just saying that, because I'm trying to figure out how the hell I can use the 1 minute in conjunction with the 15 based on how I see the charts in the 15-minute time frame.
Gap flips. Gap flips. Gap flips and market structure shifts on the 1 minute.
Like the pullbacks and shit, right?
Yeah, so if you go down to 1 minute and you see a fair value gap, and you see price, let's say you're on a 15 and you're like, dang, this shit looks bullish. But let me go down to the 1 minute to see where I could like potentially get in at.
Can I share my screen real quick?
1,000%, bro. You ain't even gotta ask.
How the hell do I do it?
I'm up here trying to learn how to update wallets with SD cards and shit. Fucking learning how to navigate a computer.
Alright, can y'all see my screen?
Hold on, let me get out of this real quick. Yes, sir. Alright, enlarge it. That ain't pop up yet. Still buffering. Damn, that just died off, boy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So like on a 15-minute, what I was looking for, so over here, I use these as just like other time frame confirmation, right?
Pop up for me. I still can't see it. I don't know why. Nah,
Can anybody else see it?
so I see pause,
Nope.
and
You don't have to
then
click back and then come back in because both of you are buffering now.
yeah, you're buffering. Yeah, I can see pause, but you're buffering.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Otherwise, you might have to close everything else out on your computer if it's burning too much RAM space. This for it will do that.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff up. I'll be working on a lot of
this
shit.
nigga up here trying to stuff posted.
Hold on, let me. While we're here, I'm about to change my mic from my computer to my actual mic that I got, and y'all let me know if it's actually good. I never use this mic. So looking at a Windows mic, I'm like, yeah, let me see if this mic working. You know.
Can y'all see my screen now?
Buffering.
It's buffering up. There's actually the stream you're viewing currently has reduced video or audio quality. This may be due to network conditions.
Yeah, but I was trying to show y'all on the 15-minute, I could see a rejection out of a particular zone to let me know like, okay, we're probably about to stab low. And then on the 1 minute, I could see the signal produced, but then I'm like, damn, should I wait for it to pull back? And then with the pullback, it's a lot more. Where you at, Peso? Play the drop song.
Yeah, you sound far away.
Yeah, you sound super far away.
Yeah, on the daily, that's what you looking at? I had marked up early this morning. I didn't think it was gonna go all the way down there. That was like 500 fucking points. But
If you want me to be honest, I'm looking for 16.6 or 17,000 NASDAQ.
Sheesh. I didn't think we was gonna make it all the way down here this morning. I ain't gonna lie. I had that bitch marked up like 500 points. Yeah, nah, we bullish.
Over for the economy.
I'm alright. That daily I pulled sometime last week. I think this is from sometime last year is where it's coming from.
Yeah.
But yeah, that 16,000, 17,000 area I'm talking about, it's either it comes from either the month or it comes from it's either the week or the month. I know for sure when I open my trading weeks. Because it's probably going for that low.
Yeah, most definitely. Am I still
Maybe
sound
not.
Yep.
No, we can hear you loud and clear. It's the way Mike tends to isolate you. So what I would tell you to do is turn your mic around so you find which pattern it may have. That might be a party or pattern mic. Or is it
I'm trying to see which one sounds clear. So this one's my mic right now. And then
which way is it?
This one's my MacBook microphone.
Oh yeah, that MacBook sound better.
Yeah, that's weird.
Mac sounds better.
Oh yeah.
My mic is a piece of shit. Cool. I'm gonna have to get one of those Orlando guys.
I don't know how my mic sound.
Your mic sounds good as hell, bro. I got a cheap one. Freaking Catilia? I don't know. It was like a year ago. I just got a cheap one off of freaking Amazon. That's the order, but I'm gonna switch it up. That mic that he got sound good as hell.
It's for production, the one he has for broadcasting.
Yeah. That's the one that sit on the table. That's what I want. I want one that sits on like the table.
I can just sit on the table. I can take it off now.
Like this. Like one of these.
Put it on here.
That's why I was asking which way does the mic supposed to aim? Because the way, if you look at the mic that he has next to him, part of his thing, his might actually be a super cardio to where it picks up. But if I guarantee you, one of the two that he has where he making talk is to the top, not all of them. If he was to angle it differently, one way he might even sound way more clearer and up close and personal, and another way he's gonna sound like he's off in the distance because the mic is facing the opposite direction of where it's actually picking up the most voice from.
True. Yeah. It's cordioid and you have like omni, cordioid, different variables. The mics. So like if I was to do it like this right here, I probably sound like a lot more like crispy.
Oh Jesus, yes sir. That was the boy right there. That's the yes sir.
Is your mic and your stand is it the same brand or a different?
This stand?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is Rhodes. This is Shure.
Okay. And what mic you got, Pop?
I got a Hyper X. The one that like changes colors whenever you plug it up or whatever. I got the model right up underneath the one that changes colors. But it's by that brand. A lot of streamers and podcasters, streamers be using it. They're doing that, be changing colors. I just sounded like I was from LA for real. Colors.
Brothers.
Nah, yeah, that sure mic is for sure the boy though. Or anything I've ever seen at a gig has always been like Shure. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Sure is cool, but you know what else is a good underrated mic that's also very inexpensive? Check out the mic. It's called Pod Mic.
Never heard of it.
I picked one up at Walmart for like $90. It's a good quality mic like this. It sounds just as good, bro. Make sure you're like in front of it, though. You know what I'm saying? Like this, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like how I had it, like this right here.
Yeah, I hear you super clear.
Sounds really good. Yeah, it's called a pod mic. Let me see if I can find it. I got, bro. I do like integration training and stuff, so my computer full of shit.
You trade here might do it.
Who there? Oh,
What is it called? It's a road. Yeah, it's called Road Pot Mic.
okay, I know exactly what you're talking about now. I seen them at Best Buy. I seen those at Best Buy. They actually had those displayed. They was on like a little display.
Yeah, I'm about to drop it in Hey, I'm gonna go drop it in the branch for you real quick.
Yeah, that's cool.
Branch.
56 got. I said 56. Yes, got a 56. 25. 777 orders down there.
You get a chance to pick that in metals. Called Road Pop Mic. And it's really good, bro. You can connect, you know what I'm saying? They even got like a little mixer that you can get with it. I mean, I know we're not really big on YouTube like that, like that, but you can though. You have capabilities.
Oh yeah.
Yep, that boy right there. That's exactly one of the other ones I was looking at.
It's a good mic, bro. And it's not this is damn near $400, $500. But this mic, my job is.
We love this customer job.
Yeah, that's my job.
I remember when I was welding, I got everything free. I ain't take nothing.
They don't be tripping on me, bro, because I do my job at a high level. So, you know what I'm saying? And like I trade in the morning, they all watch charts in the mornings. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be on my shit.
Oh, God. Appreciate it.
I did that back in 06. There's a new dog, if that's my man. Best I can. Yes, I can. Sorry, get money now.
How much the 1 minute moves compared to 15 minutes? Like, it's insane. That's the shit that's good.
Brother,
I'll be like,
it's different. All it is, it just makes the week. It's even wilder on these second charts, my boy. It's even for sure. Yeah, that comes with time. That's all. Ain't nobody mastered them. It's just you'll see more tendencies the longer you look at it, and you'll be like, oh yeah, that look like the same thing you did yesterday, or 3 weeks ago. Like once you just start seeing it, you'll just be like, oh okay. And then the thing is with me, I know it's a 1 minute chart, so like if I see it go to like a 5 minute level and start pissing about, then I'm like, let me take this. You know what I'm saying? Like let me actually be smart about this and pull some of this position or whatever the case may be. But if it's like busting, then yeah, because look at that, like what a reaction. Oh, just to that little level right here.
2 things, Pablo. 1 minute, there's a liquidity at the top. They can just go back up there and snatch that. And then there's also a gap on the 15 minutes. It's a little small gap, but it's a gap.
Yeah, I see it on the 2 minute too. I ain't taking no position though.
See how looking at the 1 minute can be potentially good. But that shit can you're not focused.
You gotta be dialed in for sure.
You gotta be dialed in, bro. Because you fuck around, look over here, it's going up over here, going down.
Yeah, you gotta be for sure.
All the way to the right. Yeah. So you actually execute your trades inside of the 1 minute.
Bro, sometimes inside the 30 seconds. But yeah, I'm executing down there because like I like to be out of the way before all of the potential chopping come around. You know what I'm saying? So like if I know that I'm inside of a wick that if I'm looking at a 15-minute candlestick and I want to say, all right, this is going to be a break and retest, then I want to actually see the change of character, all of that stuff that happens on all of the other time frames. I just want to see it do it on the 1 minute or the 2 minute, and then from there, I'm in off that quick reaction. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm in just getting to a point where I know this is going to potentially make a wick. You know what I'm saying? And from there, if this continues to go, praise God. You know what I'm saying? If it starts to get up here at a good level for me, I'm in good profit, I don't have to worry about me sitting here while the chop happens. I can just wait for the chop to happen, and then like 9 times out of 10, that's going to be a 15-minute play for you or somebody else that had. You know, I used to only look at the 15 and 30 minute, but that's like you're probably not going to have a trade very often. You know what I'm saying? The 30 minute was not doing it for me. Even though when it would do it, it would just be out of the session. You know what I'm saying? I would be like 12 o'clock or, you know what I'm saying, 1 o'clock or something like that, 2 o'clock. Right. That 1 minute is good for intraday. It's like, for me, if I was looking at scalping, how I would scalp would be something like that. You know what I'm saying? Off of a minute play or 2 minute play to get to a certain level. And I'm out of here. You know what I'm saying? Now, this scalp has the potential to turn into a very nice intraday position because of where I waited to get in from. If I was looking at an intraday reversal or like a somewhere where I was, you know, the market was selling off to potentially be an intraday play back up to higher day or something like that, I'm looking at it from a scalper's perspective of these 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute inversion gaps could run a very nice distance to where this turns into a very nice play. Like, hold on, I stopped sharing my screen. Hold on, it did it again. Hold on. It did it again. Yeah, it did it again. Right here, it did it twice. This was the first one, right? This was the first one. This little gap right here from the end to there. We just pulled back. I think, where did I go? I went in. Yeah, that's where I went. From here to here, we pulled back into the gap, right? And then just took off. This is the 30-second though. You know what I'm saying? But when we pulled back, look at the minute. It just pulled back for a break and retest of that level. And then I start going up. Okay. This actually closed very nice. We had this. Well, yeah, there's no gap on this chart. But banking on us pulling back to the low of day, I'm like, all right, that's a very nice reaction. Now you don't really see much of opportunities on the 5. You don't see any really opportunities on 15 except for a pullback to sell. But if you didn't take a trade that day and you needed to get in, get out, I'm gone. There was your retracement play, which usually happens on the smaller time frames. But hopefully the market can recover at some point. And these buys just keep going and take higher day. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what the homie that made $108,000 in 2 months did. You know what I'm saying? He was buying this thing because it was ripping and engineered to be long or whatever. So hopefully when we get back in the program and we start taking all-time highs again, you know what I'm saying? And this could have been a sweep, right? Look at that. That could have also been a sweep of the low of day. We just swept low of day. You know what I'm saying? What time is it? Is this after 10:30? Oh, it's 10:51, my boy. What time was all of this pissing about going on? 10:40. Look at here. Man. Normally, on an average day, I would have took that position, but I just talked myself through exactly how I look at it. After 10:30, that's exactly all I look for every single day. That's all I look for, bro. Every single day. We dip beneath, we start selling beneath a swing point as a liquidity grab. Even if it's a retracement, right? Even if it's a retracement, look how easy that was.
Mm.
1 minute, 2, what's that? 2, 4 minutes. Now in hindsight, let me see what NQ look like, right? Hindsight, same thing. Look at that, the same thing. It did the same thing. Now let me see. Let me just keep this on here because that's actually super clean, right? We making these little steps down. To me, this is the structure that's going into this swing. So anytime that gets broken, there's your change of character. You get the pullback. Let me put my sniper gun on this pullback. That pullback sits at the 50% right there. Uh-oh, I didn't mean to do that. But that is the same play, essentially. That's just a very big stop. Well, it's a micro. That's micro, so it wouldn't be that bad. To get back to the 61. Did we get back to the, yeah, we got back to the 61. So that's the full extension of this play. So now a retracement should be coming in. And let me see something. If I want to say, will we keep continuing? I just want to see this turn into a breaker block and this bounce from there. Let me go to the 5 minute. It's not a whole lot going on. The true story is in here with the price action is in the structure. That internal structure, I'd say. And I don't really got NQ book map up neither. I just got ES book map. Let me see. What is that, John? NQH. NQH25. What? Symbol not found. What you mean? Stop. NQH25.
Y'all have to jump, y'all.
All right, my brother.
Alright, man. Alright, I'll holler at y'all on Monday.
You know it.
Alright.
Hey, why this John saying it ain't finding my NQ chart? Now, what's going on here now? Let me close the whole book map out. All right, it's 10:55. YouTube, we about to be up out of here, man. I'm not taking no more positions. This was a great way to end out a freaking crazy week. Y'all be good, man. Don't get induced by the bulls and don't get enticed by the bears. Just wait with the sloth. Find you a tree. Get out of here.
Yes, sir. Find your tree. Sit beside it. Lay in it.
Yes, sir. Plant your feet by it. Right.